By the time students join, let us revise. Priyadarshini, can you tell some points in favor
Yes, sir.
of assuming social responsibility?
So, sir, first one is the justification for existence and growth. If a business do some if it follows social norms, or it do some social welfare programs, so it increases its reputation in the market, which is important for its existence and growth. Then business has the capability of converting the problems into opportunities. As said that the more risk a business take, the more profit it will earn. So business has that capability of converting a risk into an opportunity. Sir, then third is better environment for doing business. So if a business do some social activities, it generates a better environment for it to do the business. Then
Okay,
sir,
stop. Anya, some more points, please tell.
Some maintenance of society. So converting problems into opportunities.
Okay. What do you mean by converting problems into opportunity?
So converting risk is into opportunity. Sir, if business will take risk, then it will earn more profit. More profit.
Okay, Muskan, any other point? Muskan. Payal.
So the other point is avoidance of government regulations. If the firm is socially responsible and do the social activities, then the government will give them relaxation in the laws and also provides them subsidies, and also the regulation imposed on them are fairly less as compared to the firm which do not follow the social regulations. Then holding business responsible for social problems. Indirectly or indirectly, the business firm is responsible for the social problems we faced in day-to-day life. So by performing the social responsibility towards the society, it helps in it takes responsibility for its actions and deeds, and also it's responsible for the social problems, and also it helps to try to eradicate that problems. Then comes the availability of resources.
Good. Means to say, social responsibility, why is it important for business to assume it? Why business should follow social responsibilities towards society, and why it is important for them? The opinion, the points in favor, these are the arguments in favor of assuming social responsibility. These are the points in favor of assuming social responsibility. Today, we will discuss about the points which are against assuming social responsibility. Against means there are some group of people who think that social responsibility is not the work of business. It is not, because business is done to maximize profit, for the maximization of wealth, its stakeholders, and profit is the main motive of business. So when profit is the main motive of the business, why should business spare time in assuming social responsibility? Because it will not be able to concentrate on its core activities. Therefore, there are some arguments against assuming social responsibilities. Keep the cameras on. Sarthak, Srajal, Muskan, Srajal and Sarthak, keep the camera on. Number one, violation of profit maximization objective. First one, जो कि most important है. It is the violation of that particular theory. It is the violation of the main motive of the business. It is not in favor of business to spare time in other activities than business activities. It is not in favor of the business to spend its time in different other activities, right? That is to say, in doing social responsibility, lot of time business has to spend in it, lot of money business has to spend. Therefore, its profit will definitely decrease. So the profit maximization concept will be, discarded, or the intensity of profit maximization will reduce. Therefore, the concept is violated. And some of the thinkers are of the opinion that no business should involve itself in social responsibility. That is the work of government. According to them, it should be done by the government which is for the people, by the people, and of the people. It is the duty of the government, NGOs, or other social welfare societies, institutes, those who should take care of it. Business should be left alone to do the business only. This is the first argument. Number two, burden on consumers. Burden on consumers. Even if some business enterprises, business houses indulge themselves in social welfare activities, they require huge investments for that. And when those huge investments are done by the business, then they charge that money from the consumers only. वो उसको उनके कंज्यूमर प्राइस में ऐड कर देते हैं, right? Whatever they will spend, business houses, they will take it from whom? They will take it from the consumers only. To maintain their profit, sorry, to maintain the margin of the profit, they charge it from the consumers. It is an added cost. It becomes an added cost. So again, it is not in favor, right? Because ultimately, who has to bear the burden? The consumer has to bear the burden. So again, it is advisable for the business firm not to assume social responsibility. Finally, the burden is on consumer. Finally, the burden is on consumer. Next, lack of social skill. Vishal, turn the camera on. Lack of social skill. Lack of social skill means all business problems are usually solved with the sole aim of maximizing money and minimizing cost, maximizing profit and minimizing cost. But you see, all businessmen may not be very good at social skill, at interacting with people, at solving their problems. It needs a different approach, no? To interact with people, to know the problems of the society, to have the administrative managerial skill to solve it. It's a professional job, right? For that, there is a degree course, MSW, that is Master in Social Work. जैसे होता है ना, MSc Masters of Science, MTech Masters of Technology, MCom Masters of Commerce, ऐसे ही कोर्स होता है MSW Masters in Social Work. It is a degree course where these things are taught. So the businessman may lack this particular skill, social skill, which may hinder him in doing social work properly. Lack of broad public support. A business organization is always seen as a profit-making organization. A business organization is always seen as profit-making organization. Public generally feels that whatever business enterprise is doing, it is doing for the profit making. It is doing for profit maximization. It is doing to increase, expand its business. They have nothing to do with the society. They have nothing to do with the interest of society. They are doing all because they want to earn money. They are doing all the things because they want to expand their business. So business houses lack public support. Whenever they want to indulge themselves in societal work, social welfare work, public support is missing. Public support is missing. So to get that, a good name and fame of the firm is necessary. Every business cannot go ahead and do this type of work. These are the four major arguments against assuming social responsibility. If you have any doubt, still you can ask. Vishakha, turn the camera on.
Sir,
Please explain again the points. Prachi, explain again the points, the 4 points, headings.
sir,
Prachi Verma, unmute yourself. Yes. Not audible.
sir.
Remove your earphone. ऑडियो नहीं है आपका. Anybody else?
Sir, first is violation of profit maximization. A business works with an aim to maximize the profit, but this practice is violated here. Then, sir, second is burden on consumer. Whatever the business will do, the social activities, it will generate more expenses, and that expenses will be charged from the consumer itself. So it's indirectly or directly the burden on consumer. Then, sir, a businessman cannot expertise in social all the social responsibility. So a person with a good managerial skills should be hired. And last one is that burden. Last one is lack of broad public support. So public does not, if a business has earned a good reputation, that then only it will have a good name. Otherwise, Otherwise, public has an perspective of a business that it only works to earn profit.
Good. Manmeet, can you elaborate some? Can you add something? Not getting your voice.
Hello.
Anya, can you add something? Prachi, Payal,
Yes, sir. Sir, I may repeat all the points with some elaboration.
okay.
The first point is violation of profit maximization objective. Businesses set up with the main aim of earning the profit, but when we do the social responsibility, we add on the cost, and the main objective of the business is violated here, as we will be spending more on the social responsibility and we will be reducing the profit. And then the second important point is burden on consumers. Now, when we will be spending on the social responsibility, then the profit will be reduced, and to maintain the profit margin, we will be spending money. We will be compensating that from the consumers by raising the price of the product, and this will ultimately reduce the burden on consumers. Then the third important point is lack of broad public support. The public has a perception that a business is doing whatever is done for the profit motive. So the public does not have a lack of public confidence in the business. This helps the this ultimately demotivates the business to continue for the social responsibilities and to perform the social welfare programs. And the other important point is lack of social skills. The business does not have the expertise to look after all the social problems, to identify them and to solve them. So they need a person who identifies the problem, but the business lacks this expertise, which ultimately makes the business do not perform the social responsibilities perfectly. And so this much only.
Nice. Very good. This way you can get marks for your internal assessment. This is a type of oral test conducted time and again to know whether you are following, whether you are interested in answering or not, whether you are taking active part in the class or not, or you are just sitting and just watching like a movie. Everything is getting recorded, you know very well. Your whole class, whatever you do, how you sit, how you talk, how you answer, how you don't answer, everything gets recorded. And it is recorded forever. So, if you give answers, that is also recorded. If you do not give, that is also recorded. And marks will be allotted afterwards accordingly. Next is reality of social responsibility. We are talking about arguments in favor, arguments against. Who is raising hand? Yes, Payal.
Sir, in the fifth point of arguments in favor of the social responsibility, there is availability of resources with business. What is the meaning of this? Fifth point, availability of
resources with business.
Yes, sir.
The use of financial जो resources है, resources from the society, of the society and of the business. They are used not only for the solution of the problems of business, but of the society. Right? Whatever business earns इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रॉफिट, मॉनेटरी बेनिफिट, वो सोसाइटी से ही कमा रहे हैं. Therefore, a part of the surplus money of the profit is utilized, should be utilized for the society. इसका मतलब ये that availability of resources with business. Which resources? Resources which are of the society and which are of the business. Both the resources should be used in favor of the society. कहने का मतलब ये है. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
रियलिटी ऑफ सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. रियलिटी का मतलब है, कहने को तो बहुत सारी बातें कही हमने. वी टॉक्ड ऑफ व्हाट डू वी कॉल दिस आर्गुमेंट्स इन फेवर, आर्गुमेंट अगेंस्ट. लेकिन सच्चाई क्या है? व्हाट इज द रियलिटी ऑन द ग्राउंड? क्या बिजनेस ये एज्यूम करते हैं? क्या गवर्नमेंट इसमें किसी तरह का इंटरफेयर करती है? क्या सभी बिजनेसमैन इतने ईमानदार हैं that they follow these things and they do something for the society? Number one, बिजनेसमैन जब ये सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज्यूम करते हैं, मेनली उसका कारण होता है नंबर वन, थ्रेट ऑफ पब्लिक रेगुलेशंस. थ्रेट, डर. Business enterprises are forced by the public, by the society, by the people, by the group, by the organizations. There are labor unions, there are Vyapar mandals, right? There are so many organizations जो कि आपके पास देखा होगा चंदा मांगने आ जाते हैं. And you have to do it, you have to donate it, you have to donate, you have to do certain work, because otherwise a group of people will boycott you. They will not have good trade relations with you. उसके डर से आपको जो है उस व्यापार मंडल से बाहर कर दिया जाएगा, आपको उस पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से बाहर कर दिया जाएगा जिसके आप पार्ट हैं. Many of the business organizations do assume responsibility, social responsibility out of threat, not voluntarily. थ्रेट जो है पहला मेन कारण है बिजनेस सोसाइटीज द्वारा सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज्यूम करने का. In order to take care of all the sections of society, sometimes government also make sure that enterprises or business enterprises, they operate in such a manner that all the sections of the societies are benefited. If there is any activity against the society, तो business enterprises को क्या किया जाता है? Penalize किया जाता है, punish किया जाता है, ban किया जाता है, उस पे restrictions लगाए जाते हैं. So they do it out of fear कि कोई उनको जो है परेशान न करे. Government does not make any interference, right? The society does not boycott them. इस डर से भी business organizations क्या करते हैं? सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज्यूम करते हैं. नंबर टू, प्रेशर ऑफ लेबर मूवमेंट. आपको बताया कि लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस जो होती है उनके बहुत सारे वो बने होते हैं ग्रुप्स, और वो जो है मैनेजमेंट को, बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को प्रेशराइज करते हैं, अपनी मांगे मनवाते हैं, हड़ताल पे चले जाते हैं, प्रेशर डालते हैं कि हमारे वेजेस बढ़ाइए, या हमें छुट्टी ज्यादा दीजिए, या जो है हमारे यहाँ इस चीज की फैसिलिटी करिए. सो दे कीप ऑन प्रेशराइजिंग द मैनेजमेंट, द बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, और उनके दबाव में सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के काम करने पड़ते हैं. इम्पैक्ट ऑफ कंज्यूमर कॉन्शियसनेस. इम्पैक्ट ऑफ कंज्यूमर कॉन्शियसनेस. कंज्यूमर टुडे इज वेरी वेरी कॉन्शियस. जागो ग्राहक जागो. You must have seen this ad campaign in TVs, in social medias, कि जो आपका कंज्यूमर है वो क्या हो, बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्शियस होना चाहिए. He should be aware of his rights. He should be aware of what he can do, where he can file a complaint. तो किसी भी तरह की कोई शिकायत किसी बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से होती है तो आजकल इतना जागरूक ग्राहक है कि वो जो है प्रेशराइज करता रहता है और अपने आप को, अपनी सारी राइट्स को जो है वो अवेल करवाता है। डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सोशल स्टैंडर्ड फॉर बिजनेस। Standard, a standard has to be developed by the business to operate. Standard goods, standard service, standard items need to be provided to the society which is well informed. Well informed society, well informed consumer, well informed common man. यही जो है सारी चीजों को सही कर सकते हैं। If you are aware of your rights, if you are aware of what should be provided to you, then only आप legitimate action ले सकते हैं। legitimate मतलब जायज, जो कानूनी तौर पे सही हो, legitimate। आज चाहे बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस का मेन एम प्रॉफिट मेकिंग है, बट they cannot escape this social responsibility. Development of business education. Today businessmen जो है वो अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं, they educate them because they know that doing business is not a child's play these days. No, you need to have some qualification, you need to understand business tactics, you need to understand the challenges in terms of managing business. Relationship between social interest and business interest. Your business interests are directly related with the social interest. The more social interests are fulfilled, the more business will prosper, the more business will earn name and fame, the more it will be able to reach people, the more cordial relations between business and people will be formed, which will help business to attract customers, consumers. So there is direct proportionate relation between, directly proportional, business interest or business profit is directly proportional to social interest and social service. जितना ज्यादा कोई बिजनेस सोशल सर्विस की तरफ ध्यान देगा, जितना ज्यादा कोई बिजनेस सोसाइटी के लिए करेगा, उतना ही ज्यादा उसको सोसाइटी से रिटर्न मिलेगा in terms of profit, in terms of business, in terms of trade. Lastly, development of professional managerial class. As I told you that doing business is not a child's play. You need to go for a degree, BBA, MBA, hotel management, in hospitality management, catering, event management, and so many areas, so many fields are there in which you can specialize and prosper your business. आप उसको जो है different areas में जो है ले जा सकते हैं और business को जो है बढ़ा सकते हैं. It has become a professional managerial class. Business itself is now a separate class. क्या करते हैं आप? Business करते हैं. Business करते हैं means is also a profession, right? Like a profession. It is becoming like a profession. It has become much more demanding. उसमें आपको जो है competent, qualified, professional लोग मिलेंगे business में भी. ऐसा नहीं कि कोई भी जो है बैठ के जो है business करने लगे. They may not be able to get success like those who are coming into business after doing their studies, proper studies related to business. ये उसकी रियलिटी है कि सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज्यूम करने में ग्राउंड रियलिटीज क्या है, क्यों बिजनेस इसे एज्यूम करते हैं, क्या उनके ऊपर प्रेशर रहता है, क्या जरूरत है उनकी, यानी ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. ये एक ही टॉपिक है. क्या टॉपिक है? कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ बिजनेस. आर्ग्यूमेंट्स इन फेवर, आर्ग्यूमेंट्स अगेंस्ट एज्यूमिंग सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, and the reality of social responsibility. I hope it is clear. If not, you have to listen to it again. That is why videos are sent to you. so that if you have skipped, if you want, because it is entirely different language in which I have explained. In book, you will find entirely different language. In some other book, you will find, different opinion of the author, right? I have sent you PDFs of different books. Poonam Gandhi I have sent, Subhash Day I have sent, different authors PDFs I have sent you. If you go through them, you will find the same thing is taught in different language, with different example, with different, point of view, but it should be relevant to the topic. That is why when you make notes, you can use any book, you can use anything from anywhere, but it should be related to the topic. It should be relevant, it should be understandable, it should be reliable, and it should be comparable. These are the qualitative characteristics of any content when you present. 4 things should be there: reliability, comparability, understandability, and relevance. I hope you will keep in mind all these things. Any doubt, anytime you can ask during the class. Okay, during the class. In case of very emergency, when you want to ask something, just send the message that this is, sir, my question, and if you can please look into it. Otherwise, in class, we have sufficient time every day, almost 1.5 hour class. So you can ask in the class. Every day now you have 2 classes. Very soon, online से आप offline की तरफ आ जाएंगे, and we will have enough ample time to solve our problems. Keep your work updated. Thank you. God bless all of you.